let's know our Earth's location. Our Earth is situated in Milky Way's galaxy, and there are 7 other planets which are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Sun is so large that about 13 lakh Earths can fit inside it. And the largest known star is UV Scuti, a hypergiant with a radius of 1700 larger than Sun. Now can you guess how UV Scuti larger would be? Sun contains 99.8% of our solar system mass. This huge amount of energy radiated into our solar system by Sun in a single second would be plenty to cover the needs of mankind for about 1,000,000 years. Does the Sun is getting lighter as it shines? So yes, the Sun is constantly losing weight through a little. The weight is turned into energy at as much as 4 trillion Hiroshima's bomb every second. Now let's know about moons. 180 plus. This count includes only moons orbiting our 8 planets in our solar system. Jupiter has 67 moons, Saturn has 62 moons, Uranus has 27 moons, Neptune has 14 moons, Mars has 2 moons and Earth has 1 moon. Can you imagine the night on Jupiter seeing 67 moons? Age of Earth. Earth is estimated to be 4.54 billion years old, plus or minus 50 million years. We all have years. Have you guessed how old our Earth is? Earth is the only planet not named after any god. Otherwise, all the planets are named after Roman god and goddess. Mercury is named after god of commerce, eloquence and skills. Venus, goddess of spring, love and beauty. Mars is named after god of war. I'm thinking, is there any war on Mars? Are you also thinking? Jupiter, ruler of gods and all men's. Yeah, Jupiter is very big. Saturn, god of agriculture. But we have not planted a single plant on Saturn. Uranus, god of heavens. Neptune, god of sea. It's too hot here. I want to go to Neptune to swim. Now let's know planet superlatives. Largest, most massive planet, Jupiter. Smallest, least massive planet, Mercury. Fastest orbiting planet, Mercury. Slowest orbiting planet, Neptune. Longest synodic day, Mercury. Shortest synodic day, Jupiter. Most moons, as we know, Jupiter. It has 67 moons. No moons, Mercury and Venus. Our Earth has at least 1 moon. Planet with largest moon, Jupiter. Greatest AV density, Earth. Lowest AV density, Saturn. And do you know Saturn is only planet which can float on water if there is proper amount of water. Strongest magnetic field, Jupiter. Hottest planet, Venus. Coldest planet, Neptune. After knowing this, I don't want to go on Neptune for swim. Otherwise, I will freeze. Most circular orbit, Venus. Planet having moon with most eccentric orbit, Neptune. Deepest ocean, Jupiter. Greatest amount of liquid on the surface, Earth. And yeah, our Earth is also known as blue planet for the presence of so much water on surface. Through great revolution, east to west, Uranus, Venus and Pluto. Now some interesting facts. Ocean is one of the heaviest material on Earth, weighing as twice much as lead per teaspoon. Highest mountain on our earth is Mount Everest. But have you guessed which is the biggest mountain in our universe? The highest discovered mountain is Olympus Moon, which is located on Mars, and it is not only tall but 374015 feet square wide. That's the size of the area of Arizona. Thanks for watching my video. Like my video, comment below and subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.